gumagamit na ng gadgets yung kanilang mga anak at lagi po itong cause ng kanilang away
Yes.
at strain between the parent and child. So ano po ang gagawin ng mga magulang?
So basically, what we advocate. So I'm also the executive director of a group we call Healthy Screens PH. So we developed a 6S mnemonic para makahelp tayo dun sa mga parents to easily understand. No, there are 6S that you need to look at your child. No, and protect with your child. And the first S is sleep. No, sleep is very well studied as as one of the more parang problematic side of addiction to gadgets, no? Sobrang laki ng impairment ng sleep ng mga kabataan ngayon. Have you seen children sleeping 8 p.m. earlier?
No,
Hindi na
no.
po.
Right?
Oh.
So,
Wala
yun
nang
ang medyo
ganun.
alarming. Remember our childhood, no? 8 or 9 p.m. it's already sleeping time.
Oo nga, Dok. Yung New Year pa lang, parang, di ba, pag
yeah,
celebrate ka ng
antok
New
ka na.
Year's, parang ang late na
Antok
nun
na antok ka, right?
Antok na antok ka. Oo. So, yun nga talaga, no? Yung sleep is
Yes. So,
That's
first
very
S,
important.
sleep.
Yeah.
Oo.
Remember. So, second, which is actually very relevant to what's happening now, is safety.
Yeah.
No? So, again, introducing a child with a gadget that is connected to the internet, it's like allowing them to go to the mall by themselves.
Isipin mo yun. Pinayagan mo siya mag-isa sa mall. Iniwan mo. Bye.
Tama. Sino
Tapos
nga ba
5 years old lang siya.
Sabi ni Yusek kahapon, di ba, kapag yung anak mo ay nasa screen, parang wala na yan sa bahay. Wala na
Yes.
sa bahay. Hindi mo na siya kasama sa bahay. Parang gumala. Tama.
Yes.
Oo. Sige, Dok.
So, basically, they're susceptible to anyone there. So, as parents, habang wala pa tayong matitinong parang mga safe rails dito sa country in terms of how policies are also being built into platforms para ma-protect tayo, it's the parent's responsibility whether we like it or not, 'di ba?
Okay. Safety, sleep, ano pa po?
Third is self-regulation. So one thing you also look at is parang kung ang child mo ay nagtatantrums na, there's also behavioral manifestations, nag-aaway na kayo, that's already a red flag na parang okay, I think we start regulating you na, no, parang baka kailangan nating magbawas ng gaming time mo, or at least dedicate times of the day na hindi ka naka-hook sa gadgets.
Oo nga, Dok. So, paano yun? Kapag medyo nagre-rebel, kapag nag-iiba na yung behavior, kapag kumari nire-regulate mo naman,
yung ganon.
gusto niya pero
Nagagalit.
ayoko, 'di ba? Nag-ano na siya. Yun na nga, nagta-tantrums na. Oo.
Okay, so I think that's relevant to our fourth which is support, no? Parang support means there's always this an adult who can model and mentor the child. Ang ibig sabihin lang nun, the adult understands the lived reality na yung bata. Hindi mo na basta-basta hihilahan lang ng device yan, and that's okay. Definitely it will produce matinding gera sa bahay.
Yes, of course. Imaginein mo kung sa'yo ginawa yun, partner.
Yes.
Nanonood ka ng NBA Finals.
I
Pinatay.
know. Ha?
Oh,
I
I'm
know.
sure
Nako.
magta-tantrum partner.
Magkukulos dili ako doon. Hindi pwede.
Isipin mo kung ginawa sa'yo yung gustong-gusto mong gawin, or kumakain ka ng masarap na ice cream, inagaw sa'yo.
Correct.
How
Totoo
would you
naman
feel?
yun. Oo.
So support basically is a parent starting to do things little by little, no? Ang role natin as parents ay, anak, turuan mo nga akong mag-play ng game mo, or can you tell me how this app works? Para lang I can have comments kung is it safe for you or not. In a way, it gives, no, parang it makes the intent more genuine for the child, and mas open sila to, mas excited sila. Actually, based on studies, they're excited to share to their parents what they're doing online.
Oo nga, ikaw ba marunong ka ng mag-Roblox?
I don't know.
Wala.
pa kami ganun.
Meron ka ba mga rewards dyan or
Wala
what?
pa.
Alam mo,
Wala pa
ako
kaming
talagang
games.
nasa proseso pa lang sa sobrang busy kasi aaralin ko pa yung Roblox. Pero sabi nga nila, no, maganda nga kung ikaw kalaro nila, kasama ka doon, di ba?
Oo.
Pero ang isa ko pang ginagawa, Doc, doon sa mga mas bata, 10 minutes na lang.
Yes.
Oo,
Tama.
5 minutes na lang. May countdown.
Usually sumusunod naman.
Oo, pero
Oo.
syempre, may
Meron pa
tension pa rin. Pero at least hindi ko inagaw.
Tama.
Ngayon,
Yes.
kung nag-garage, binigyan na kita ng oras eh. Oo.
May negosasyon din, Doc, di ba?
Yes, that's right.
Negotiation.
That's your role as a parent, diba? And the more important thing here is gets ng bata why you're doing it. May mga bata naman gagalit lang for a while, but because they understand the intent of the parent to remove the gadget, because you've relayed that to your child na I don't want you to get hooked so much, right? So magandang ganun mo siya gawin, no? At hindi natin talaga ma-eliminate yung bargaining. But unless you have that clear rule and firm boundaries, that's fine.
Oo. And then, the other suggestion rin na pag nakakausap ko yung ibang parents, tatanggalan mo o bibigyan mo ng, babawasan mo yung oras. So, anong gagawin nila? Sabi, bigyan nyo raw sila ng alternatibong
Yes.
gawin. Kumbaga, mag-offer ka ng pwedeng gawin. Actually, Doc, ako ginawa ko na to. Lahat na binigyan ko na lahat ng extracurricular. Pero syempre, may days na parang, wala talaga eh.
Oh.
And parang,
At that moment, wala
nababother ako na napakalaking bagay yun sa kanila na I'm bored sinasabi palagi.
I'm bored.
Oo, parang, teka lang, nung bata naman tayo, mix, ito naman na ayaw nila ng ganyan. Pero,
Oo.
okay lang dapat mabore at bahala kang gumawa ng
Find a
paraan
way.
para hindi ka mabore. Doc, what can you say? Kasi they're so bored right away. I think that's also an effect of the addiction or the problematic gadget use.
Yes, and that's actually very important domain here. Actually, a lot of brain scientists are now being parang medyo alarmed for this generation can't be bored. Remember that boredom is a time in the brain for hormones to rest. So cortisol comes down, and that the body enters a state of creativity. Remember the time when you start imagining things? Actually, nagkakaroon ng maganda yung brain activity ng time ng boredom. Kasi it triggers creativity, it triggers innovations. And that's very important milestone in a child to achieve that kind of state where they want to explore and they want to think about things that they like. So, I think allowing our child to become bored is one of the greatest gifts that we can give them para ma-prepare sila sa future. Remember, they will be our next thinkers. No? Kung if the next generation can't be creative, they cannot think of good things.
So, Doc, if at that moment, sabihin ng bata, I'm bored, just let them be bored?
Just let them be bored. It's a time that they will use their paper to create paper airplanes.
Tama,
They will
oo
use their, right? So if you deplete them of things, they will use what they have to make things new.
Actually, subconsciously, no, yung aking toddler na magsi 6 years old, may mga moments din na gano'n eh. Dada, I'm bored. Siguro, sa marami ring mga nangyayari, wala rin akong magawa to cope. So, I just let her be bored.
Yes.
Totoo. Parang, bahala ka dyan, di ba?
That's life.
That's
Ganito
life.
lang buhay, anak.
Totoo.
Di pwedeng lagi ka nasa mall.
Totoo.
Di pwedeng kumakain ka lagi ng fast food
Oo.
or meron kang ginagawa palagi. 'Di ba? Maganda yung nagde-daydream,
Tama.
tama. And
Oo.
yung creativity nga lumalabas.
At the same time,
diba?
siguro a few minutes later, gagawa din siya ng paraan. So, Doc, ang tanong ko doon, may effect ba sa bata at least kapag always on?
Yes.
Diba kapag always on, parang laging
Yes.
nag-work yung brain mo na napapagod din po siya.
Yes, the hyperconnectedness is already studied. It's a studied phenomenon that heightens childhood anxiety and depression.
Oh, yun.
Yun.
See, dahil palagi kang busy
Dapat
and
lagi
palagi
meron.
kang may... Di ba parang alam na
Yes.
ganun ng ganun?
Yes. Hyperconnectedness.
Connectedness.
Sobra sa pagka-connect.
Yes. And that brings that parang a lot of psychological domains, the fear of missing out because of, and there's also yun nga parang a lack of downtime. The body cannot actually process emotions. And then eventually ripples down to lack of empathy, More children now are parang just, going through the motions without, parang understanding their emotions.
Totoo yan. Pati nga tayo mga
Oo,
matatanda
totoo.
May chine-cherish natin yung mga moments. Sabihin natin, pag nasa biyahe ka, diba, mag-isa ka lang, wala kang kausap.
Nagda-drive ka.
It allows you to
Nagda-drive.
settle down.
Yes.
Oo.
Yung parang tahimik lang.
Tahimik lang.
Oo, parang yung mga bata ngayon, ayaw nila nun. Di sila makakope kapag tahimik lang. Minsan, ibang kaya nga sinasabi minsan yung the art of doing nothing, yung wala ka lang ginagawa.
Oo nga eh.
Diba?
Sana
Parang
all.
hindi uso yan. Lagi na lang, tama, FOMO ako. Parang, pwede ba? Minsan naman ma-FOMO ka, diba, Doc? Ewan
Yes,
ko,
that's
what do you think?
important.
Oo.
Important po yun. Kasi nga, again, going back to the idea that our body needs to settle down. It's like you need to sit down.
Tama. Lagi nakatayo eh.
Yes,
Upo ka naman.
sit down.
Oo.
Well, Doc Paul Filomeno, pediatric addiction specialist, thank you for being
Thank
our
you very
doctor.
much po.
Serbisyo. Thank you, Doc.